Solving radical equations. Well, we have the radical square root of 5x minus 6 is equal to 7 plus x. And we want to solve this for x. Well, first thing that we can do is, since we have the 5x minus 6 all under the radical here, we can eliminate that radical first by, it's a square root. So if we square a square root, we get back the base, which is whatever is on the inside of it. So we square both sides of the equation, and we get 5x minus 6 is equal to 7 plus square root of x squared. And that's again using the FOIL method to determine the result of that. When we use the FOIL method, we wind up with 49 plus 14 square root of x plus x on this side. And then we move to solve for x by looking at the radical that we have on the right side. We have 49 plus 14 square root of x plus x. So we want to get this to be by itself by subtracting the 49 on this side and also subtracting the x on both sides. So subtracting an x from 5x gives us the 4x, and then of course subtracting 49 from negative 6 gives us negative 55 is equal to 14 square root of x. We want to solve this. Well, 14 doesn't divide evenly into either 4x or 55, so we just leave it there. And in order for us to solve for x here, we can take, we can square both sides again. And we will use the FOIL method again there. 14 square root of x gives us 196x. The FOIL method for the left side gives us 16x squared minus 440x plus 3025 is equal to the 196x. We subtract the 196x on both sides to get 16x squared minus 636x plus 3025 is equal to 0. Now we want to solve this for x. So what I would suggest is to use the quadratic formula in this case. The quadratic formula as we see it here, substituting for our variables there. And once we use the quadratic formula, we find that x is equal to approximately 34.23 and approximately 5.52. Keep in mind that using the quadratic formula requires that we have the equation equal to 0, where a is 16, b is negative 636, and c is 3025.